Hi, and welcome to Winter 2019. The class is ESL Level 7 Reading and Writing Online Independent Research Project. We're going to be reviewing a few pages of the syllabus together. I'm your instructor, Sheila Davis. My website is sheiladavisesl.weebly.com. If you are a DSPS student, please let me know by January 5th if you need testing accommodations. You can reach me by Remind, we'll talk more about that later, email, or call or text this number. As I said, my name's Sheila Davis. A little bit about myself. I've been teaching since 2006. I graduated with a BA in English and a master's degree in education with a technology emphasis from SDSU. Go Aztecs! My last degree was in 2016. I look forward to working with you. Please contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Remind is the fastest way to reach me. If you email me, I will respond within 24 hours. But this week, I would like to learn about you. Why are you in this class? What are your goals? What do you hope to learn? And how can I support you in your learning? This class is open to all ESL students who test in at the appropriate level, level 7. Every student must have technology skills and internet access is a must. The textbook is Research Design right here. It's on Amazon for $29.98 to rent or $74.94 if you'd like to buy the book. You're going to do research and writing around a topic that you're interested in. We're covering scientific documentation of research through journaling or blogging and uploading YouTube videos. I have found that students are very passionate when it's a topic they're interested and enthusiastic about, and that's why you are going to be choosing your own topic. Of course, netiquette guidelines, we need to be respectful in our online learning environment, just the same as we would be in a face-to-face class setting. Plagiarism, we take it very seriously, and academic cheating will not be tolerated. It's really important that you have good participation. We'll be doing meetings via Zoom and class discussions, and you have to submit assignments and take quizzes. If you're not showing continuous progress in these ways, you may be dropped from class. Any late assignments will not receive full credit, and this is a fast-paced class. Follow the weekly module instructions to get full points. Let's look at the points here. Weekly assignments or the modules are 20 points each, interaction with classmates 5 points each, and the final assignment is 100 points. I'm not going to go over every week what we're covering. You can read through it here. I just wanted to just glance through the syllabus with you and welcome you to the class. Again, my name is Sheila Davis. If you have any questions or need some clarity on the syllabus, please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much. I look forward to working with you.